Come on! Come on! Let me get the high score! Yes! Yes! Yes, I won! What? Brother, shut up! Oh, sorry. Actually, come here for a second. What is it? Come over here. Okay. Okay, I see what you mean. Can you just hurry this up, please? Yeah, just hurry it up. Alright, fine. I'll do the best I can. Oh, what's wrong? Oh, nothing. I just. Sorry, I kind of have like a. I'm a puker. What's wrong? What's making you want to barf? I don't know. Just. I gotta go. Well, that was weird. I know. Come on, let's go. What? Gosh, dang it. Well, guess I had to handle it on my own.